Oh, Samalo, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Tata na azo kachi lang sa inyo azo pime gelang ni muchawe gato ni ngarang zo zinja gito ne kara
Guru Chinju
zego chinju se rira ta odi tata moti streshi ge tham
Inter School and Society la
paper
chute
ye
and di na la nga zo kyacha yor ta nga zo presentation chura and di ta tanda nga zo kyacha yu kabla ani sanyi nga zo namgyu ro na nga zo di gab chura World Women Day ya and di thalo nga zo pa share ta go ton chunge mare and di chine tari nga zo sanyi nga zo ta pime ka ji pime ke la ra pe ba ji chine chungi ge penda sumbe che chungi na ya ane di indu kabla ane sanyi nga zo ta lerem chinju chi res
상마 레 디 포스터 잘방 레 라자
chari de ja
경자로 땅어서 경자도 저 저지 그래 고래 레 디 니만 라모지 레 तामो दिस तंदा कमली छायमन ये कमली छासरे अल भाई दिस को नि दु मजि तम
kala sigeras tamis
ni doing the powerful leadership strong and beautiful is there ni jम छे देशा मुकाले ये देश 당기 दिस 도 모 दिस frustrate yu 차도 야 रिमो या मायong दिया तैने या पुछा थामा था चला या
ni mala mure
건조기 딱딱 되게 됩니다. 건조 따뜻하다. 갑도 누다. 여기 딱딱 누다.
골레스다. 파이 골레스.
저거 그 잘해. 다들 잘해 이거니.
잘하잖아.
대니 좀 잘들아. 대ങ്ങൾ 빠르자. 이메게 나가. 펜속이 잘. 보스 정말 잘 썼어.
어디로 양부터 모아지 됐다. 뭐 유료비로 유료.
주티들이 공소대 잘해 다지 치듯이. 그래서 하이디야 되나. 강나 잘해지도 되고 어디스. vlog to vlog.
Pagi itu dah nyamsi tangan itu je, tangan nyamsi tangan itu gude tu, lai.
Today's program where we are observing the Tibetan Women Uprising Day. This program has been organized by the BA second year students as a small initiative to remember and honor the courage and the sacrifices of Tibetan women. Today's program is not only about remembering an important historical event, but also about sensitizing ourselves and others about the strength, struggle and contribution of women in the society. On March 12, 1959, around 15,000 of women unarmed gathered in Lhasa and raised their voices against the Chinese occupation. Their unity, courage and determination became a powerful symbol of resistance and hope. Their action reminds us that women are not only the backbone of family and communities, but also the strong leader who play an important role in shaping history and society. Through today's presentation, performance, our BA class hopes to honor their legacies and create awareness and encourage everyone to reflect on the importance of unity, courage, and gender equality. Without wasting much of your time, I would like to call Goji Sitting Group to present the presentation on the topic, the history of Tibetan Women Uprising Day.
सभी शिक्षकगण, कर्मचारीगण और मेरे सभी प्रिय दोस्तों, आप सभी को मेरे ओर से प्यार भरा नमस्कार कहना चाहूँगा।
सबसे पहले मैं आज हम ये कार्यक्रम क्यों मना रहे हैं इसके बारे में दो शब्द बताने का प्रयास करना चाहूँगा। वैसे ये कार्यक्रम जो हमें बीते 8 मार्च को मनाना था, लेकिन किसी कारणवश युवती महिला संघर्ष, अंग्रेजी में टिबेटन वुमेन अपराइजिंग डे कहते हैं, तो ये कैसे हुआ था इसके बारे में जानने से पहले हमें 1959 के 10 मार्च के दिन जो तिब्बत के लिए एक काला दिवस था उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा जानना होगा। तो इसलिए मैं इस पर थोड़ा सा प्रकाश डालने की कोशिश करूँगा। 1959 के 10 मार्च में चीनी सेना तिब्बत के तत्कालीन जो आध्यात्मिक और राजनीतिक नेता परम पावन दलाई लामा जी, मैं महिलाओं का सम्मान करूंगा, मैं महिलाओं और पुरुषों के बीच समानता का समर्थन करूंगा,
समानता का समर्थन करूंगा।
मैं किसी भी प्रकार के भेदभाव और अन्याय का विरोध करूंगा। मैं महिलाओं की शिक्षा, सुरक्षा और अधिकारों को बढ़ावा देने का प्रयास करूंगा। मैं एक ऐसे समाज के निर्माण में सहयोग करूंगा जहां हर महिला को समान और समान अवसर मिले। बहुत बहुत
धन्यवाद।
Called Myanmar to present the presentation on role of women in the society. Stanzin Myanmar groups.
आज के इस शुभ दिवस पर पधारे हुए अतिथिगण और शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, सभी को महिला दिवस यानी तिब्बती विद्रोह दिवस पर मैं सभी को शुभकामनाएं देते हुए अपनी ग्रुप की ओर से मैं यानी कि रोल ऑफ वीमेन इन सोसाइटी के टॉपिक पर थोड़ा सा विचार करना चाहता हूँ। तो मैं सर्वप्रथम ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैं कुछ नया बोलने नहीं जा रहा हूँ, नया बोल भी नहीं पाऊँगा, लेकिन मैं आप लोगों को याद दिलाना चाहता हूँ। हमारे माँ ने जब से हमें पैदा भी नहीं हुए तब से लेकर हमारे जीवन में कितना संघर्ष से पालन पोषण करते हैं और हमें शिक्षा देते हैं। माँ एक हमारे सर्वप्रथम गुरु होते हैं, वो हमारे सभी डेवलपमेंट का यानी के लिए नहीं है, ये एक समाज के लिए, एक नेशन के लिए ये बहुत सारे एक योगदान, महत्वपूर्ण योगदान हुआ है और उसको भी हम याद करना चाहिए। ये बहुत एक महत्वपूर्ण हो
To believe in the women, and women can do the same thing when the others can do. So these things what students have already told. In the middle of the program, I want to share my gratitude to the teachers, especially the women teachers, because teachers are the builder of the nation. It was told by the Abraham Lincoln. So they are also playing a very vital role in the society. So we will start with our chief guest, Pramod Sir, Assistant Registrar, Account Section. So we will honor and show our gratitude toward the teachers and our chief guest. And in this, I want to tell my student of second year to show. Because women has to also, they have also played a send their blessings to us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Susan, sir. First of all, I am not a chief guest. मैं आपका ही पार्ट हूँ और आपके साथ ही हरदम, चूँकि आप.
Now we will move to the special part of our program, a song, group song dedicated to Tibetan Women Uprising Day, which is performing by our student. This song is dedicated to the spirit of Tibetan women who courageously stood up during the 1959 Tibetan Women Uprising. It reminds us that in 1959, Tibetan women bravely raised their voices and actively participated in the struggle for the freedom of Tibet. The song highlights the courage, strength, and sacrifice of Tibetan women. It also carries a powerful message that through unity, determination, and resilience, women can overcome struggle and achieve great things together. Through this song, we remember and honor their legacy.
Be Bütün tebahi betashisho Tenjuluwa me betashisho
Rashi Tilak, respected cheaters and Women's Uprising Day, I would like to share a few words about an inspiring Tibetan woman whose life has been dedicated to service, compassion and welfare of Tibetan community, especially education for the Tibetan refugee children. The remarkable woman is Jizun Pema La, commonly known as Ama Jizun Pema. She is the sister of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. She is respected not only because of today, Ama Jizun Pema La is well known as the name of Mother of Tibet because of her dedication, love and contribution to this community.
Good afternoon, teachers, guests, and dear friends. Today, I feel honored to speak about the courage, strength, and leadership of Tibetan women. Tibetan Women Uprising Day is not a day to remember history, but also a day to celebrate the voices of Tibetan women who continue to inspire the world. On 12 March 1959, thousands of brave Tibetan women gathered in Lhasa to protest peacefully and demand justice and freedom. These women show incredible courage and unity. Even during difficult times, they stood strong to protect their culture, identity, and their future. Their bravery reminds us that Tibetan women have also played an important role in protecting their people and their culture and awareness. Now let us another inspiring Tibetan woman from the younger generation, Chimeng Hamo. Chimeng Hamo was born in Tibetan refugee family in India, growing up in exile, learned about Tibetan culture.
Is passing the bottle game. It's just a simple game. When the music is playing, the bottle will pass around the participant, and then when the music stops, and whoever has the bottle at that point of time will be disqualified from the game. So please, I invite everyone from audience and also teachers can join also to participate in this game.
어디를 마친 숨바? 숨바 소 제일 나오. 야, 숨바.
This kita semua music siapa semua? The teacher come from B for the year. Okay. Now, okay. Final one. Start. Close like this. Volleyball is like volleyball में चल में था First position is goes to Chamba Tracy from B8 second year, and second position goes to Karma Bhutia from. Okay, second position we have Karma Bhutia from B8 first year. I request Ma'am Bhavna Behal to kindly present the gift to students. Okay, third position we have Tenzin Chesam from B8 fourth year. I request in fifth place Tenzin Needon from B8 second year.
Wow! 아로라 캄바. 또 가는 인지 모두 왜? 잠깐만. 로마 자기는. 로마 밥기로 나와. 로마 자기도 나와.
So thank you to all the presenters. If any of the teachers or the members from audience want to share their thoughts on today's program or related to Tibetan Women Uprising Day, please, you're welcome here on the stage.
So much B8 second year team to celebrate today's Women's Day. मुझे मतलब इतना कुछ कहना तो नहीं है, but
they have the choices, they have the desire, they have the will to do something. So we have to celebrate this thing. Any other student or teacher who want to express their idea? It is their celebration, not is to make them happy, but to remember the struggle, the lives that they have so far.
Good morning to teachers and Japan and of course senior, and I'm very thankful for the senior for organizing this, and for of course today is Women's Day. Why we celebrate Women's Day? We all know, right? So if we are trying to like bring a change in women's our country, right, by giving this like days especially like dedicated to the women. So if I want to say that if we want change in our country for the women, first of all we have to look for small thing. First of all, we have to see what is going on in our own household. As you all know, we have mother, and what work does our mother do? I know that like most of the mother, they do household work. It doesn't mean that our mother can't do that work that our father do, go outside, bring money. She sacrificed her dream, everything for her child or her family. So we have to remember this. And
hello everyone. So first of all, I just came with a question. I just came up with a question. Okay. That is why women are raped. I want to ask you guys the question. Can you guys answer that?
Thank you.
To respectfully invite Anil sir to share a few words or thoughts on today's program and on Tibetan Women Uprising Day.
Thank you, Devantenji, and all the students of BEd and who has come here to participate and enjoyed here. Quite thanks to all. Before starting my address, and we have discussed all the things here about that. What is the role of women? What problem women face? We have discussed these points already. So we will just read some important point what I have made. If there will be any points, you can ask a question to me. And from a gender perspective,